Hi, this is Dan with Feldman Imports. Today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This has a red exterior and a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, Formatic, Mercedes-Benz, and CLA 250 badging, trunk, rear seats, memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 18,537. Push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, climate control, center console, Mercedes-Benz shifter, backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.